In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Google app on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you want to do is, if you don't have the Google app on your phone, is locate your app store. It's going to look something like this. And then once you locate it, all you have to do is open it up and then go to your search icon, which is on the bottom right, especially if you're on iOS 26. On the bottom, you're going to see that little search bar. Just go ahead and click on that and then just search up Google like here. Now once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different options like Google Chrome. You're going to see the Google application where it says Google dash more ways to search, and that's the one you want to download. So just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to ask you either for your password or for your facial recognition, like your face verification. So then just go through that. Then it's going to start installing on your phone, and then once it's installed, you can either open it right from here. But if you want to open it from your home page but you can't find the application on your phone, all you want to do is swipe all the way to the right of your screen. Then you're going to be in your app library. So all you want to do from here is you can just search Google, and then it's going to come up, and then you can just open it and do whatever you want. But simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.